Hello and welcome to your Daily 5. I'm Greg Harmon, founder and president of Dragonfly Capital Management. At Dragonfly Capital, we sell a newsletter that gives those that want to trade for themselves ideas about how to use technicals and options to trade their own accounts. And we also manage separate accounts for high net worth clients that want to have everything done for themselves. You can find us at dragonflycap.com. Today, for our Daily 5, we're all getting these STEMI checks again. If you haven't got yours yet, it's coming soon. And it's time to think about, what are we going to do with this money? We all know that last time they came around, the backstory was that everyone was going to their Robinhood accounts or whatever their brokerage was and buying stocks, buying Tesla. So what are we going to do? What are we going to shop with? What are we going to shop for with our STEMI checks this time? I've got 5 ideas for potential winners off of this. And they're maybe not who you thought. I'm going to be looking at more the beneficiaries of any kind of transaction. So we're going to start with Mastercard. Mastercard, the credit card company, you can see here, has been trading in kind of a sideways consolidation since October. A little drop down at the end of October like everyone else, but holding in tight against consolidation. So that's been a 3-month solid sideways move after a strong run higher. What are people going to buy with their STEMI checks? Doesn't matter if they use their MasterCard to go and buy it. And we're looking here for a breakout above $357 to trigger a buy opportunity in MasterCard for another run higher. The next one, very similar looking chart, Visa. Visa's actually been a little bit stronger than MasterCard. Had that same sideways consolidation with the dip at the end of October. But the bounce back here in November and December has been at a little bit higher level, and it started to break out towards the end of the year. After a short pullback now, starting to roll back around again. So we're looking for a move back here over 220 to be a trigger to buy Visa for another run higher. Slightly different space, PayPal. Still a payment system, still a way to buy things. My preferred method for buying anything on Instagram these days. And you can see that it had its consolidation period a little bit earlier, from August through till the end of November. And that period was flat. Starting in December, started to roll higher again. Now with a pullback to its 20-day moving average, it is moving up towards the prior high at the end of the middle of December. And we're looking for a move over 245 to trigger a new purchase in PayPal for another leg up. Another one in that similar space, Square. Square, along with PayPal, have been branching off into the cryptocurrency space, and with Bitcoin moving up, maybe they're benefiting some from that as well. But that similar move, Square has seen just a very short consolidation period through August and September, and then a move higher from there. We're now back to close to that, almost that same price level as in PayPal at 245. A move over 245 would trigger another buy in Square. And we haven't focused on it on the other charts, but you can see here, we've got positive underpinnings from the MACD with a cross up pending here, positive RSI rising as well. Great trend here. above the 20-day moving average for the entire time. Final chart to take a look at is a little bit further out there. A company called Green Dot. Green Dot sells prepaid debit cards. You can go load them up yourself. And this stock, we see, had its own consolidation period through July through to October. Tried to break out and then ran into another tight period again. And it's just starting to move up higher out of that space as well. Also, the positive underpinnings of a rising MACD, a positive and rising RSI. Bollinger Bands, you can see here, have been very, very tight. And I don't know if you can notice, but they're starting to open up as well. So this one, you can almost call this a consolidation period from July through till the end of the year. So almost 6 months of doing nothing after this run up. So this one may have the best potential here for a repeat move, like the 17 to 50 move on the outskirts of this, another $30 higher up to a target of about 85. So who are the big winners when we go and cash our stimmy checks and start to pay out? Doesn't matter what companies you're buying. Doesn't matter what products you're buying. It's the payment systems. They make money all the time. Keep an eye on the payment space. And that's your Daily 5 for today.
Hey, Grayson Rose here with StockCharts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider giving it a like down below, maybe leave us a comment, and if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the link up above. We're gonna bring you daily content from an incredible collection of technical analysts and financial experts.